Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and we are gonna look at MLM leads. Now, if you guys want to know what MLM leads are, most of the people, most of you, will go ahead and actually think that it is something to do with MLM, right? Well, maybe, maybe not. It depends on you actually how you treat it. Okay. The reason why it's called MLM leads is because it gives traffic sources. It's a traffic source that brings leads to you. Now there are two traditional ways of actually getting leads. Okay. One is by marketing and generating free content that in turn gains interest, which is called attraction marketing in general, and that gains interest from people. You have banners, you have videos, you have posts, you have blogs, you have forums that you can be a part of. So there are various content that you emails that you can create that allows you to generate more leads that way. Now that's a great method, and I think you should always be doing content marketing and affiliate marketing, and I would specify more attraction marketing. Okay, but in this video we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about a specific traffic source called MLM leads and how does it fit into my system. Now guys, if you are ready to get trained, if you're ready to get this information from me and you do like it, let me know in the comments below, because I would love to give you guys some feedback, or help out if there's any further clarification that needs to be done. I'm on my FutureNet. In case you guys want to reach out to me on FutureNet, the link is in the description of this video. In case it's a social media platform, if you don't know what it is, go to it, check it out. It's similar to Facebook, but it pays you, so it could be a potential income stream for you guys. Otherwise, you can feel free to just use it as another source of free traffic, which you can get with the social media platform. Okay, let me go ahead and share a little bit about myself and a little bit about the pro system and why we're looking at this. Now, today is a day where I, in the week, put out a video. I have a very specific schedule that I follow, and the schedule is just to keep me productive, proactive, and post videos, often give you guys the value that needs to, because then I have the desire to actually go and look out for more things that I need to talk to you guys about, and also what I'm doing on a daily basis. So one of the things that I like to specify is sending traffic. Now my main focus is on paid traffic. Okay, but in general I focus on traffic. So these videos that I create on YouTube, they generate me traffic. Okay, the the emails that I send out, they generate me traffic. Anything that I do generates me traffic. At the same time, I always have paid traffic running. Why? Because it helps me build my social media, it helps me build my following, it helps me actually create a brand. So paid traffic, even if you don't make sales, guys, understand that it can still help you build your following until you get the authority to actually make sales. Now, I would suggest that if there's no harm for any new person who's joining, when they're just getting started, if they have a product and they want to sell the product, they can have the product there, but they don't need to heavily pitch or heavily sell the product within the follow-up series. They can easily make sure that there are links to the Facebook, make videos, put the videos in there, and start to build a rapport with the community that you're building. And in turn, they will like you on Facebook, they will watch your videos, and it'll be an authority figure. Then tomorrow when you decide to sell them a product, they're going to say yes. Okay, so there's a lot of psychology, let's say, behind the paid marketing strategy that I use, and it exists within the pro system that I have. So I'm going to go into the details. I'm going to go into the specifics of the pro system so you guys understand the strategy. The pro system is basically a strategy and a funnel which you can duplicate from me. So I can give you a share code and you can actually use it in order for you to generate leads and sales in the same businesses that I'm in. Or if you would like to do the same strategy, you can take it and you create a funnel for yourself, but you can use the tools and the strategy that I'm sharing with you. Okay, so this is my page where I send everyone from my email. In fact, today I've sent an email out to my list about the traffic sources right here. We're going to talk about this second one. Okay, it says let's drip and build a buyer list. Now, how do you build a buyer list and how do you actually get your first order in? So let's go to the sales page. This is the sales page that if you click on the link, if you're watching this here, guys, there's a link in the description to the Pro system. You get in the Pro system, follow step by step everything that's laid out. You will arrive to this page, which is the traffic page. Okay, and as you can see right here, this is a lead capture page and everything else, and then you have returning customers. So I've already opened the page, but I'm going to do it anyway for you, so you see. You can go to this page and it'll take you to my autopilot traffic. Now, the products that you have in mlmleads.com, and if you want to know about them, blog, we'll tell you a little bit more about mlmleads.com. I think so. Oh no, okay, cool. So let's go ahead and check things out. Okay, we have many products within MLM leads. Okay, but the thing that I want you to pay attention to is, yes, you can get one-on-one consulting, free prospecting training, what to say to prospects, emails, leads, local. But we're going to look at web traffic national. Okay, this is what we're going to look at. Why are we going to look at this? Because this is my autopilot traffic. Now, there are a few things that you are going to generate from here. I'm going to briefly show you guys. You need to have your own lead capture page. Now, what does it mean is something, let me show you, is some things like this. Okay, TipsWithDav.com. So it's something like this that you're going to see in a second. So this is a lead capture page that I have. It's my main page. If you go to my website, this is what you're going to see. You can enter your email address and then work with me. But this is something that I honestly enjoy doing. Okay, so you need that firstly, and then you can say that these are generate your own exclusive MLM leads for sending high quality, high targeted business opportunity seekers, premium pay-per-click website traffic right to your MLM lead capture page. Now, it can be MLM lead capture page, it can be network marketing lead capture page, it just can be a lead capture page. Don't worry about the wording here. Okay, there are over 200,000 people every single day looking for make money online and starting an online business. 200,000, guys. There's enough every single day. There's enough for people who want this. So your product, even though you think it's useless, if you have the right traffic source, which I think MLM leads can be that for you, you are going to see actually a difference in your business. So there's a whole description, etc. But this is what they call, okay, my autopilot traffic will basically give you PPC, which is pay-per-click advertising, to your business, and there's a difference between pay-per-visitor and pay-per-click. Now we're going to get into the small part of it. All web traffic is from USA. This is very important. Okay, and then it doesn't say exactly. You have the prices here. Okay, for how much do you want? So if you want, it's a little more pricier than solo ads. As you can see, it's around the same amount. So if you want 450 clicks, you pay around 400. If you want 2,500 clicks, you pay around 2,250 clicks. So it's about $1 a click, just if you take it like that. Okay, it's about almost $1 a click. That's what happens. Now, it talks about clicks, which is exactly the same as any other vendor, right? But it talks specifically about clicks. Now, this is the beauty. Let's go to page that I actually created. So, MLM leads, guys. What are the key elements, or what are the key things to mlmleads.com? One is the media buys. So like I said, the media buys is people who are in real time looking for leads. They're looking to start an online business. They're interested. They've showed interest now, and they're targeting, and your link is there, and they click on it, and they see your lead capture page, and you grab the lead. Okay, so media buys are when you have actively setting aside, according to the number of clicks, the owner of MLMleads.com is going to put your ad out there, put your link out there, get the clicks for you, and do everything for you, and you're getting the leads once you get the clicks, and then you convert it. If you don't convert it, means on your end you need to change the landing page and stuff like that. Okay. Secondly, it offers training for you. Okay, in MLM Leads itself, if you just go to the blog, or you go to the about, or you go to the affiliate, whatever it is, there's a training on how you should actually write lead capture pages, how you should go about doing it. So there's already a training before you just randomly sell. The third awesome thing about it is that it's USA based traffic. Okay, that means it's top tier traffic and high end traffic that's coming in. Then the fourth thing is that it drips in. Now, what does it drip in mean? It means that if today I purchase from MLM Leads, the ad is placed and everything, say the next day, even let's just take it as the next day, ad is placed the next day, and it'll leads and clicks will drip in until you have received the whole amount of clicks that you have purchased. Okay, so if you've clicked if you want 100 or 250 clicks, you will get clicks every single day. It won't be all at once. It might be 10, 11, 20, 50, depending on the ad that you have, depending on the clicks that you have, and it'll that way space it out. So you're going to get, because these are real people, guys. These are real people who are going to the website and want to purchase from you. So MLM Leads helps you specify this aspect on getting real-time leads. So it's much higher quality traffic, in my opinion. And that's why the last point is it's fresh and it's new traffic. There are people who are interested today and might be ready to purchase like that. So it creates a buyer list for you. And if you segment it right, you're going to make a difference. Now, how does that work out in the Pro System strategy? I have that here for you. I've done a little preparation. The Pro System exists of 6 income streams. Okay. What I do is specifically earnings from here, I put into a traffic budget. So I put money, whatever I earn from here. So for example, 30% of what I earn from here goes into traffic. FutureNet, a percentage of that goes into traffic. Okay. All of this, but I'm not saying exactly what percentage because it varies on a day-to-day basis. Okay. But this is per sale. So I can say easily 30% will just directly go there. iCoin Pro, again, the same thing. 30% for each sale goes into traffic. Okay. EXP asset goes into my pocket. I don't put anything of EXP asset into traffic. Now, there's a reason why I do this. I can, if you want, if you really need and you need to put it, you take, but you definitely have to have something that's going every single week into your pocket, no matter what. Okay. Now, what happens here is that everything from here, okay, let's say 30% here also, if you want. So if I'm making about 100, it's $30 goes into a traffic budget. So everything goes into traffic budget that goes to traffic. Okay, all of these. Now, traffic gets sent to Online Sales Pro and Aweber, which is the tools I use to create the Pro System. So get sent to the Pro System, and the Pro System promotes all of these things that you see right here. So make a sale and purchase traffic. We are in this section right here, the traffic section. Okay, week in and week out you purchase traffic. It does, you make a sale and the machine runs itself. Now that's the beauty of this, is because it allows you literally to think for yourself, to run for yourself, and to make sure that you are growing in your business every single day as a machine. I love the Pro System, guys. I love the strategy behind it. But hopefully this gave you 5 tips or 5 elements for MLM leads, why you should get MLM leads. And I'm going to leave a link in the description, which is going to take you to this page right here, guys. Enter your email address if you want to know exactly what the Pro System is about, what products I'm doing, and why I'm doing it. I shared it with you in this video, but there's going to be more in-depth once you put your email address here. Going to see you on the inside. I hope you will work with me and I can work with you. And at the same time, keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. If you do like the content that you receive on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you on the next video.